welcome back to Sister Slime Bits. So I am so sorry that this video is 3 days late. I did not mean to do that. I was just extremely busy and I could not get the video up. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 slimes that I added too many ingredients to. So my first ingredient I'm going to add too much of is baby oil. So first I'm just going to, for every single one of these, I'm going to make a basic slime with a bottle of glue, the right amount of activator, and a little bit of shaving cream. And then after the slime is completely formed and perfectly activated, I'm going to add the ingredient to it. And for all of these, I'm going to do different colors of food dye. They're all going to be the same brand. I just want to tell the difference of them. So let's get into it. Like I already said, for all these slimes, the first ingredient is going to be 4 ounces of white school glue. Next, I'm just adding some pink food dye, and I'm doing different colors for each of the slimes, so later on, I'm going to be able to tell the difference between them. Next, I'm just adding in a little bit of shaving cream. This is a substitute for baking soda. This will just help it activate. And finally, I'm just adding contact lens solution, and I'm going to keep adding that in and some shaving cream until the slime is formed. Finally, when the slime was activated enough to play with, I added a whole bottle of baking soda, which I think is 2 ounces. 2 ounces or 4 ounces. And I squeezed the whole thing in, and it made the slime super duper clicky. In all the slimes, I'm going to let the slime sit for 2 days, and then I'm going to check on them. So this is the baby oil slime after 2 days. So I know that I said that I was going to add all the ingredients after, but I decided for the shaving cream, which is the next one, I was going to add the ingredient during the slime making process, or else it really wouldn't do anything, or it wouldn't have the same effect. So I'm just going to add it in right now. Okay, so you might be a little bit confused, but when I was talking, I had a little bit of words on the screen, and that was just saying that I'm not going to show the adding in of like glue and food dye, just because it's repetitive and I just want to shorten the video so it's easier to watch. So now I'm just showing an ASMR of the shaving cream slime, and yeah. So for my third slime, there's not much to say. I'm just adding in a whole thing of lotion into the slime. And I'm hoping that it doesn't completely underactivate, but I think that might be what happened. So for my final slime, I'm adding 2 ounces of pink acrylic paint, and I just realized that I already have a pink slime and I dyed this yellow and then added 2 ounces of acrylic paint, so I'm gonna have 2 pink slimes, but that's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Again, I'm very sorry that this is late. And also, all the slimes kind of turned out to be a fail, which I kind of expected because I added way too much of every ingredient. But they did turn out to be kind of fun to play with. So, thanks for watching. Bye!